In today's A Disease in Brief video, we will explore common signs and symptoms, possible causes, and various holistic remedies for sinusitis. Make sure to avoid any ingredient or tips, etc. you are allergic or intolerant to, discussed in this video. Please read the disclaimer, and if you are interested in such health-related informative content, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. Sinuses are hollow, air-filled sacs or cavities behind the cheekbones and forehead. There are 4 pairs of sinuses in total. Sinusitis is a painful inflammation or mucus congestion of the sinus cavities. This condition can be viral, fungal, or bacterial. Types of sinusitis: acute and subacute sinusitis. It is short-lived type with symptoms lasting for about 2 and 12 weeks. Chronic sinusitis with polyps, allergies, or deviated septum lasts 12 weeks or longer. Recurrent acute sinusitis. If sinusitis tends to flare up several times a year, it is referred to as recurrent sinusitis. Common signs and symptoms of sinusitis may include: many sinus infection symptoms are almost same in its various types, such as pain and tenderness on face, especially behind the eyes, nose, cheeks, or forehead, puffiness around the eyes, nasal stuffiness or congestion, fever and a sore throat, dull aches in the forehead and bridge or sides of the nose, or above the eyes, especially when leaning forward, increased sensitivity, cough that may be worse at night, reduced sense of smell and taste, thick, yellow or green, foul-smelling discharge from your nose, blockage in your nose, common cold that doesn't go away or gets even worse, earaches or toothaches, pus in the nasal cavity, runny nose or discolored postnasal drainage, feeling tired and fatigue very often, and halitosis or bad breath, etc. Possible causes and risk factors of sinusitis. Acute sinusitis is normally triggered by a common cold or flu. Obstructions in the nasal or sinus cavities due to anatomic variations including nasal polyps, deviated septum, nasal bone spur, or cleft palate, etc. Changes in air temperature or air pressure such as from swimming, diving, or flying high altitudes, etc. Hormonal changes such as during pregnancy. Immune deficiency or compromised immune system. Overuse of nasal decongestants. Sensitivity to aspirin. Genetic disorders that impair the cilia such as cystic fibrosis, asthma, and other lung disorders, etc. Hay fever or exposure to allergens such as cigarette smoke, dry air, and pollutants.
Non-allergic rhinitis.
Infections resulting from dental problems. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Physical injury to the sinuses. A tube inserted into your nose to stomach for feeding. Or any other health condition that blocks off the vital drainage channels of your sinuses. Further complications if left untreated. As sinuses situate deep in the head, close to the brain, in severe cases, infection can spread into the meninges, membrane covering the brain and spinal cord, and can cause meningitis or abscess, which can be fatal. Vision problems. If the infection spreads to your eye socket, it may cause troubled vision and even permanent blindness. If the nasal obstruction and inflammation continue, the olfactory or smell nerve can be compressed, leading to a temporary or permanent loss of smell, etc. Herbal and home remedies for sinusitis. Increase your fluid intake to help keep your body hydrated and sinuses moist. Stinging nettle works as a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory agent. It is effective for seasonal allergies, including allergic rhinitis, and can provide quick relief from symptoms like nasal congestion, coughing, sneezing, and itching. Add 1 tablespoon of dried stinging nettle leaves to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and add a little honey. Drink it 2 or 3 times daily until your symptoms disappear. Nasal irrigation with saline solution is highly beneficial for sinus infections as it helps clear out mucus and other debris from your sinuses. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of non-iodized salt and a pinch of baking soda in 2 cups of distilled water. Use this solution for nasal irrigation using a bulb syringe or other irrigation device. While standing over a sink, place the tip of the spout into one nostril, tilt your head to the side, and allow the water to run out through the other nostril. Refill the neti pot and repeat the process with the other nostril. Repeat this remedy once or twice daily for a few days. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy massage and inhalations are exceptionally effective to help relieve sinusitis. Some essential oils also help treat the infection in the membranes, as well as have an analgesic effect. To naturally clear the sinuses, using eucalyptus and peppermint oils can be highly effective. These essential oils can naturally open the sinuses, clear mucus, and eliminate infections. Facial massage can help, especially using techniques that work on the sinus points either side of the nose and at the tip of the eyebrows on the brow bone. Feet reflexology can also be an effective complementary treatment for sinus problems by stimulating the sinus points located behind the toes. Alternatively, you may simply vaporize by using 4 drops each of pine, eucalyptus, and tea tree. Make your own simple massage oil recipes to ease congestion. Ingredients: for drops eucalyptus, for drops pine or rosemary, for drops peppermint. Mix well and apply around your nose bridge, forehead, and chest before sleep. Oregano oil can be used as a healing tonic, a potent antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant plant that can help eliminate the underlying cause of acute sinusitis. Also effective in relieving the inflammation in the nasal cavities. Mix 2 or 3 drops of oregano oil in 1 glass of water or juice. Drink this juice once or twice daily. Take a steam inhalation. Hot water vapor can help loosen mucus, moisten the sinuses, can also help lubricate the irritated respiratory tract. Boil 2 cups of water, and while the water is still steaming, add few drops of essential oils of your choice such as lavender, peppermint, rosemary, tea tree, or eucalyptus. Cover bowl and head with towel, and inhale for at least 5 to 10 minutes and blow your nose thoroughly. Be sure to keep your eyes closed. Repeat few times a day until you recover completely. Homeopathic approach for chronic sinusitis. Homeopathy is one of the most popular, safe, and natural holistic systems of medicines, a very personalized approach. Consult a qualified homeopath for your detailed assessment and take tailor-made remedies as per your causative factors, modalities, and peculiar signs and symptoms, etc. Here are top 7 suggested homeopathic remedies for chronic sinusitis. Lemna minor is effective for sinus infections complicated with nasal polyps. Natrum muriaticum is prescribed for sinus infections and nasal allergy. Silicea is useful for sinus infections accompanied with chronic colds. Kali bichrome for sinusitis with post-nasal discharge. Belladonna is a top-grade medicine for sinus headaches. Sanguinaria canadensis, sinusitis due to recurrent nasal polyps with shortness of breath. And Hepar sulf, sinusitis with severe cold. Precautions and additional tips. Get plenty of rest to help your body fight infection and speedy recovery. Sleep with your head elevated to promote mucus flow and avoid congestion. Apply warm compresses to your face, around forehead and sides of your nose to help keep the nasal passages moist and ease congestion. Use a humidifier in rooms that will keep the air moist. Exercise can help stimulate positive drainage. Avoid mucus-forming foods like refined flour products, eggs, chocolate, fried, processed, and citrus foods, wheat, gluten, sugar, and dairy products, etc. Control dust and dust mites as well as indoor molds, especially during the allergy season. Wear a mask when going out to avoid exposure to dust. Cover your pillows and mattress with dust mite covers. Keep pets out of your bedroom. Take a bath or shower after coming inside from outdoors. Change your clothes often after being outside to avoid being exposed to allergens. Thanks for watching. Always seek medical help and advice from your GP or health provider. Or you may contact our Holistic Health Clinic in Birmingham, UK for more specific, tailor-made complementary remedies as per your peculiar signs, symptoms, and causative factors. Complementary remedies for long-term wellness with extra safety margin. Finally, avoid self-medications even with natural or herbal medicines as they are not always safe. Bye for now, and talk to you soon in another video.